Sending a document wouldn't work in a normal Facebook Messenger app. So in this video guys, I will be teaching you how to send your files using your smartphone, whether it's a Word document or a PDF file. So without further ado, let's start. First, all you need to do is go to your browser. And for this tutorial guys, I will be using Google Chrome. Next, click the three dots on the upper right of your screen to open the setting of your browser. Scroll it down to find the desktop site menu. Make sure you click the box next to it to allow your mobile browser to work as a desktop browser. Then, go to www.messenger.com, and if you are already logged in, you will directly see your account, but if you're not, just simply log in your Facebook account. After that, open the chat box of the person where you want to send your files. There, you will see different icons of the messenger on the lower part of your messenger. Just click the first icon, the one that looks like a gallery icon. You will see different options will appear after clicking it. Choose the last part or the files option. After that, you will be redirected to your files. All you have to do now is to locate where you have saved your files. Now, all you have to do is choose your files and click OK. And lastly, just click the send button. There you go, and you're done. You already sent your files without using your laptop or desktop. I hope this video guys helps you. And if you like this video, give this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Once again, this is Teacher Thedz, and bye bye and see you on my next video. Love you all. Mwah.